a house wrapped in cedar, inspired by the scattered boulders that extend across the seaside property in Hubbards, Nova Scotia. Perched atop a rocky shoreline, this stunning architectural marvel was designed to embrace the pristine views of islands and the vast Atlantic Ocean while protecting against the challenging winds and storms that sweep through the bay. Canadian studio Omar Gandhi Architects chose materials with natural weathering characteristics, allowing the building to age gracefully and tell the story of its place in the landscape. Known as Rockbound, the 4,100 square foot house presents as two interlocked stacking boxes that are meant to weather over time to match the pale gray of the sky, perched on a hillside. The linear house was organized to place social areas facing the rocky coastline, while service areas faced the hillside. Naturally, weathering cedar boards were interspersed with detailed elements of corten steel to form framed hoops around the windows. Approaching the house from the public side, a sense of privacy and shelter welcomes visitors. The front door hints at what lies ahead. Upon entering, the space opens up, revealing breathtaking views of the water. Inside, white oak, tiles in muted tones, and natural woods provide a pale and neutral palette, juxtaposed with raw steel that creates focal points at the staircase and fireplace. Warm tones of tile and millwork create a harmonious counterbalance to the cool grays and blues of the bay, enveloping occupants in a serene and inviting atmosphere. The dining and living rooms have walls of windows facing east and lead to a large semi-covered deck, which provides shelter from the sun and changing weather conditions. The interplay of light and shadow, the careful consideration of perspectives, and the variety of spaces combine to deliver an exquisite and unique coastal retreat. The structure emerges from the rocky terrain, mirroring the coastline's contours, and its primary living spaces run parallel to the water, offering breathtaking panoramic views along the coast and across the bay to the iconic Peggy's Cove lighthouse. The exterior is extremely minimalist in its form. It was important that, if we were to veer from the more traditional homes of the area, we maintain a simple and quiet modernist language. The bedroom volume, seemingly floating above the main living spaces, provides a quiet and private sanctuary that feels completely immersed in the landscape. Beyond its visually striking exterior, the true innovation of Rockbound lies in the hidden engineering. During construction, the discovery of a seam in the bedrock threatened to derail the project. However, a system of micropiles was strategically located to redistribute the loads, ensuring the building's stability and structural integrity. In the end, the house was designed to bridge the seam in the bedrock. The steel and wood frame was meticulously designed to resist hurricane-force winds, all while maintaining a sense of delicacy and grace.